Hello everyone, I am Jyoshna, working as assistant professor in Siddhartha Institute of Science and Technology. Today I am going to discuss inheritance concept in object-oriented programming through Java. These are the objectives of the concept of inheritance, types of inheritance, examples of inheritance. Now, coming to the definition of inheritance, inheritance is nothing but acquiring the properties from one class to another class. There are two categories in inheritance. One is subclass and the other one is superclass. Subclass is also called as child class or derived class. Superclass is also called as parent class or base class. To acquire the properties from one class to another class, we will use extends keyword. This is the syntax of inheritance. Here, the syntax of inheritance is class, subclass name, extends, superclass name. Within open and closed curly braces, we have to write methods and fields of the class. Now coming to the types of inheritance, there are three types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, second one is multi-level inheritance, third one is hierarchical inheritance. Now coming to the single inheritance means acquiring the properties from one parent class to one child class is called single inheritance. This is the example diagram for single inheritance. Here A is superclass, B is subclass. Here this subclass B acquires the properties from the superclass A. This is the example program for single inheritance. Here in this example, there are three classes. One is animal class, second one is dog class, and the third one is test inheritance class. All the above animal and dog class are having two methods. One is eat method and the other one is bark method. And in test inheritance class, I am writing the main method. In that method, I am creating the object for dog class. The object for dog class is D. With the help of this object, I am going to call eat method as well as bark method in the animal and dog classes. If we call d.bark method, it will go to this bark method and it will print barking. Whenever the compiler executes this d.eat method, it goes to this eat function or method and it prints this eating statement. So with the help of this child class object, we can call the methods in the superclass as well as child class. The output for this program is barking and eating. So this is the output for the above program. Single inheritance means acquiring the properties from one parent class to one child class. Now coming to the multi-level inheritance. Chain of inheritance is nothing but multi-level inheritance. This is the example diagram for multi-level inheritance. Here there are three classes A, B and C. B is acquiring the properties from A class. C is acquiring the properties from B class. This is the example program for multi-level inheritance. Here in this example, there are four classes: animal class, dog class, baby dog class, and test multi class. Here, dog class is acquiring the properties from the animal class And baby dog class is extending the properties from the dog class. All the three classes are having uh, single methods in their classes. Animal class is having eat method, dog class is having bark method, baby dog class is having the weep method. So here I am creating in main class test multi. I am creating the object for baby dog class. Object for baby dog class is a D. Through this D, I can able to call all the methods in all the classes. So I can call d dot weep, d dot bark and d dot eat. I can call all the methods in baby dog class as well as animal class. So output for this program is d dot weep means it will print weeping. D dot bark means it will print barking. D dot eat means it will print eating. So the output is weeping, barking and eating. This is the output for the above program. Next, last type of inheritance is hierarchical inheritance. What is mean by hierarchical inheritance means here in a hierarchical inheritance, one parent class will support more than one subclass. More than one subclass can acquire the properties from the single parent class. This is the example diagram for hierarchical inheritance. Here, B, C and D are the derived classes and A is the parent class. So, this B, C, D classes are acquiring the properties from the parent class A. Next, example program for this is the example program for hierarchical inheritance. Here in this program, again there are four classes: animal class, dog class, cat class and test hierarchical class. So in animal class we have one method, eat method. In dog class we have one method, bark method. And in cat class we have one method, mew method. Here dog class is acquiring properties from animal class and cat class is acquiring properties from animal class. So same these two classes are acquiring properties from the same base class animal. Next in class test hierarchical I am creating object for class cat. So if I create object for class cat means I can access the methods in the cat class as well as I can access the methods present in the animal class. So I can able to call this method meow and eat method. If I try to call this bark method, then the compiler will give error. So we can access only with the help of this cat class object, we can access this cat class method as well as its parent class methods. The output for this program is, so this is the output for the program. It will print only meow and eating. Thank you.